Just from doing what I do for a living, you know, when it all comes down to it, basically I do a bunch of repairs. You know, I repair fishing rods and fishing reels for a living, and you know that really allowed me to contribute based on what my experience has been. You know, I used to build custom rods, and I quit doing it a long time ago, and you know, but doing rod repair for so long, I see so many reasons why individuals experience some sort of failure on their fishing rods. And so from my experience, I think, you know, we really tuned this rod in to have that desired long-term durability effect. You know, I really didn't want to get too into the weeds with it because, you know, I wanted the artist to be able to do his thing, and that's when Eric took over.
So the blank is the real star of the show here, and I want to get into a little bit about how we were able to acquire this blank and what makes it so special. And one of the things, the starting point really is the fact that this blank comes from Washington State, from Gary Loomis's factory at North Fork Composites. Gary Loomis is one of the icons in our industry, maybe the icon in all of fishing rod manufacturing for the United States, if not globally. And he's still with us and still making high-end fishing rods in his small corner of Washington State. And because of my prior relationship through Leviathan, I was able to ask them for a super special blank built just for Keep Austin Fishing, and they delivered. And they delivered, with a bang, because this blank is phenomenal. It was made just for Keep Austin Fishing. It's got a beautiful coloration, which, funny enough, was an accident because I had originally asked for a sort of midnight blue, but it came back, or a darker blue, but it came back in this beautiful aqua color that now, in retrospect, I don't think any of us would change, because it really gives it an eye-catching, timeless look that we're grateful for happening on accident.